Guys, I'm gonna show you how I got monetized in only just 20 days, all legit investment method, and it's a 4,000 watch hours how I completed in just 20 through the promotion by social media. I'm gonna show you the live proof here, guys. This is my channel Money Talk India 5.0. You can just come over here and watch my videos, very unique videos I'm posting here. For all the paid watch time, you can inquire me at this email address. I'm gonna reply you as soon as possible, guys. At very nominal charges, I am just providing all the 4,000 watch hours, guys, to you, so you don't need to wait here for the 5 years to keep posting the videos, wait for a long time. So you can easily just invest a bit of money here and you can get monetized. It doesn't matter how many subscriber you have, you can start making money on each and every view of your videos, guys. If I head over here and do the last 28 days report of my channel, as you can see here, last 28 days I made $135. Very easy, guys, just only with the 4,800 subscriber, guys. My channel is growing very fast. I'm gonna show you, and the live proof I'm gonna show you here is that the first video I posted on the February 22nd 2022, as you can see here, and the email that I got from the YouTube on the 2nd April was the your channel got monetized. The Money Talk has been accepted into the YouTube partner program, guys, and my channel got monetized on the 2nd April. So in just 20 to 25 days I applied for the monetization. I got monetized, and you can see here, I'm gonna show you in my all the video, you can see here the dollar sign, guys. I'm making money on every video of my YouTube. It's a one-time investment. You can make a lifelong income from the YouTube, guys. The only difficult part is the watch time. Once you complete the 4,000 watch hours, guys, everything is very smooth, very easy. So just do contact me. I'm gonna guide you, I'm gonna help you out with the watch time, so you all can make money and grow on the YouTube, guys.